Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
We have given the advisory that there is a section 144 of CRPC which has placed some restrictions in the entire North Goa. So we have reiterated that the candidates or the supporters or their party members are not to carry out any victory procession after the results are announced. Not inside the counting venue, not immediately outside the counting venue. Secondly, gathering of 5 or more people are not allowed as per the restrictions imposed by section 144 of CRPC. And these advisories have also been given in written to all the candidates along with the enclosed copy of the section 144 order.
आमचे रिटर्निंग ऑफिसरान आयज आमचे पॅनलाचे कोण लिडर्स आहा पळय तांकां आपयले मिटिंगेक 500 जाण रिप्रेझेंट केला ह्या मिटिंगेक आनी इन शॉर्ट एक सिंगल पॉयंट म्हणजे फाल्यां रिजल्ट जावन सेलिब्रेशन या विक्ट्री रॅली काडची न्ही म्हणून ताणें आमकां इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्या.